Thanks very much for taking the time out of busy days just to hopefully, I suppose, gain a bit more knowledge. Our aim out of today really is to get a lot of discussion going in the sort of formal sessions, but also more generally out and about over coffee and so forth. So, my name is Gearoid O'Riain. I'm Managing Director of Compass Informatics, a company that myself and Paul Mills set up now, I guess 15 years ago. This we like to call our sort of premier knowledge sharing event, Compass12, an event that we run approximately every 18 months. And really it's provided to support our clients and our potential clients, but also it's run very much with the support of our partners and clients. So you get a sense today of the range of people that you'll hear from, covering a wide range of market sectors, of applications. And on behalf of the company, I'd like to sort of acknowledge the effort that all of the contributors today have made in terms of the preparation. Fingers crossed everything will go smoothly. Again, I'd like to give you an overview of the day, just to give you a sense of how things will run. We're here in Grosvenor 1, where most of the applications talks will take place. We then have the room behind Grosvenor 2, where we'll have largely the survey workshops, but also in the afternoon we'll have a special session on what we call data discovery and Inspire-related topics, data access and discovery-related topics, including Irish Spatial Data Exchange and so forth. So I'm just going to take another couple of minutes of your time. I'll hand over then to Tom Stafford, who I asked to give us a good challenging start to the day. Then we will, after that, you can choose to move into the other room if you want to be there from the start of the survey workshops. In the survey workshops in blue there, we'll again be going through various different offerings from the Spectra Precision range of products, handheld Europe, ruggedized computing, and then into the afternoon on the software side of things, particularly with the Geofield software, which we've been working with very well. That's after Tom's talk. We can split up, I guess. Then we'll have two talks from the Ordnance Survey and the Geological Survey. And again, the emphasis really is on sort of looking forward to the future as regards those agencies and the range of data that will come from those agencies. And then we move into two sessions around enterprise solutions, showing, I guess, giving you a sense of our IT capabilities. And then we have a series of sort of what we call rapid-fire snapshots, which would give you a sense of some of the technology behind the solutions and put a face to the name of some of the staff from Compass Informatics. That'll be after a coffee break, which I'm sure you'll be in need of, and then we'll follow that with a light lunch outside. And just to raise it, once you take your light lunch, if you move straight away into the Grosvenor 2 area, it'll make things run smoother. And then we'll come back, we'll cover a range of topics on the planning, tourism, heritage, biodiversity, and social cohesion programs from Pobble, and then move into another sort of series of rapid-fire snapshots again after another coffee break. And we'll finish, keep the best wine to last, and we'll deal with some of the transportation-related solutions from the National Transport Authority and the Local Government Management Agency. So again, there'll be an opportunity in the afternoon to swap across from this talk across to the data discovery element. So again, the whole timing is timed so that you can move between one session and another, and feel free to do that. So in order to facilitate that, and just in terms of housekeeping, if you are coming in, just try and take your seat at this side so that people who are sort of transitioning can sit that side. A little bit of practicalities on that side of things. Okay, so and if you have any queries at all, please don't hesitate to contact any of the Compass staff. That's the blue lanyards. And just shout. Essentially, we want to make this day a success, so if there's any issues, let us know also. At 1:30 then, or during the lunch hour, we'll come to the Compass stand. Ollie will be giving a short talk, an overview of cloud hosting options and so forth. And again, just come to, just on the side room, there's a couple of demonstration laptops if you want to sit down with some staff and just go get a better feel for some of the mapping systems or solutions that you see during the day. That's the way to do it. Just pop into the side room there and start a conversation. So I guess just to note as well that this isn't the only event. We're going to the National Ploughing Championships later in September. We're the platinum sponsors of GIS Ireland this year in October. And we're attending things like InterGeo, the Geodata events, and other ones. The Esri User Conference Roger will be at, and so forth. So there'll be no escape.